What's poppin', dogs? This triangular prism is what's poppin', and I'm about to find the volume of it. And you are too. Woo! Love it. Okay, so for this one, the volume formula is base, big B, area of the base, times my height. My base this time is the area of the triangle, which is 1/2 base times height, little b times little h. All right, so I guess I could use one of those dimensions as my base, but I don't really have a height of the triangle because I don't have any right angles here in my triangle, so no two dimensions are perpendicular. What if I were to drop an altitude in here? Because it looks to me that since this is 13 and this is 13, that all those two legs going up, those should be 13 as well, right? Because if this is going to be a prism, those two triangle bases of this prism need to be the same. Okay, so then that means that altitude I just did would cut this guy in half to 5 and 5. So I've got a 5, what 13? I got a 5, 12, 13 centimeter triangle. So now I have the area of my triangle all figured out, don't I? So my base is going to be 10, my height's going to be 12, and if I take 120 divided by 2, that's going to be 60 for the big B. Now my height of this prism, right, because the height of the prism is different than the height of that triangle, even though it's a triangular prism, is going to be 16, which is the distance between my two triangle bases. That's how far those are stacked apart, infinitely stacked to create this prism. So I'm going to multiply 160 by 16, and then that's going to end up giving me, well, 16 times 6 is 96. Pop another 0 on there. It's going to be 960 centimeters cubed for the volume of this triangular prism. Woo! We nailed it. That was dope. Super dope. Super awesome. See ya.